Hi, everyone. My name is Grant Scholl. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the team building PlayerMint, and we're gearing up for a May launch. So this video is going to be super important. And if any questions come from it, please leave them in the comments or come ask them in Discord or Twitter. We're always around to answer any questions that come up. So I'm going to share my screen. All right. So the agenda for this video, first, we're going to go over a dev update. This will be back end, front end, and I'm going to use our live development environment to do this. That will also give everyone a visualization of what PlayerMint.com will look like come launch. Then we'll look at, we'll go over a launch roadmap, and this will cover the logistics and the phases of rollout, as well as the community participation involved in that. Then we'll go over some light paper stuff and close it out with some information on the SplitWorld partnership that we announced a couple days ago that I'm super hyped about. Cool. So the development update, I'm actually going to do this by running through our live React environment where updates are constantly being pushed through. So we've still got some small updates going on here, like font stuff and small things like this, but things are really coming together and we're at the home stretch. So I just want to say congratulations to everyone on the team and the community for sticking with it. We've really come a long way since the founder NFT sale in October, and everybody's put in an awesome amount of work, and it's resulted in something really unique and special coming together, and I'm really excited to run everybody through it today. So we'll run through the application, and this will give you guys an idea of how it's going to work. You'll begin by connecting a wallet, and we're going to start with NAMI wallets, and then we'll add more wallets based on community feedback on what wallets you guys would like to see. So that's also something that you can add to the comments of this video. And the entire application is non-custodial. It's all based on Plutus smart contracts, everything from the minting of the creation of PMX to the NFT marketplace trading, your wallet integration. It's all non-custodial. So you'll log in through your NAMI wallet, and then you'll have the option to either head to the marketplace or start earning PMX. So if you click this, you'll be prompted with the sign in with Epic Games. The first game that we are integrating into is Fortnite. And so how this will work is with a combination of the Fortnite API and the Epic Games OAuth system. By connecting or signing the OAuth system to your NAMI wallet, this will allow the API to know which wallet to reward what amount of PMX at the end of every epoch. So PMX distributions go out in 5-day intervals or every epoch. And that's based off of your position on the leaderboard as indicated by your in-game statistics. So you'll sign in with the Epic Games OAuth system, which will pop up. Then you'll continue. Then you can come to the leaderboard to see the amount of PMX that's going out in the next epoch, as well as your personal stats, including this will be your PSP, your PlayerMint skill points, your ranking, so where you stand on the leaderboard, and then the estimated, your estimated PMX payout based off of that. And so you can come down here and see where everyone else stands, and then come over to the marketplace where you can use PMX that you're earning from gameplay to buy and trade NFTs. So anything from art to game assets to community NFTs, anything that people can think of to create and trade in the marketplace. And that brings us to the minting tool. So this, just to give a little demo, say you bring over this image Put it in here, it'll pop up in the little preview. You give it a name, a description, a price, the amount that will exist, some properties, a royalty, and then you can mint the NFT and it'll go into the marketplace. And we'll continue to add features to both the mint and the marketplace. And again, you can either supply NFTs to the marketplace through minting or through your connected wallet. And that you can see through your profile page. And that brings us to the profile. So from the profile, you can see any NFTs that you have on sale. You can also see the NFTs that you own that are in your Nami wallet, and in the future, whatever wallet is connected. Over here shows you your lifetime PMX earned. You can come over here and edit your profile, put in a username, a bio, a URL, update your PFP, and whatnot. So, and if you hadn't already linked your gaming account, you can do that here. So yeah, so we have the earning of PMX through initially playing Fortnite, and then we're looking at integrating other games. And then there's a bunch of uses for the token in the PlayerMint ecosystem, like trading NFTs. We will eventually get to a Babel fee model where PMX is used as the gas or the transaction fee for minting and trading, and also PlayerMint Pro. So if you hold a certain amount of PMX, that'll basically act somewhat like a Fortnite Battle Pass, where it increases the amount of PMX that you can earn and gives you additional features like a verified pro account, and other features on the platform. That wraps up the high level view. This is a play to earn layer on top of existing games. So on top of games like Fortnite or Rocket League or Warzone. And then we do see this infrastructure being used and integrated deeper and deeper into the game. So because this will be a decentralized marketplace, games or anyone can use it and integrate it into their game. And then PMX can become the gas and the currency for these different games that are happening. So that brings us to the rollout and the different phases and the logistics involved in the rollout. So currently we are in the play testing, supply bootstrapping phase, as indicated by this little PlayerMint leaf. And if you were to head over to our Discord, many of you already are, but you can integrate your Epic account to record gameplay data. And we are doing this in order to perfect the algorithm. We've already made some improvements based off of real data flowing through it. And also bringing together awesome NFT projects in the Cardano ecosystem to supply NFTs for the launch. So then this will bring us to testnet, and testnet will happen in the range of the 30th to the 10th. And we'll have an exact date on that, hopefully come Tuesday. But very, very soon. And this will move us from testing the application outside of the application through Discord to bringing us into the live environment, the environment that I just ran through, so that people can get the full experience of the marketplace and the minting and the earning, and really gear up for mainnet. And this will also allow us to see if there's any problems or bugs or anything that needs to be fixed. And then we estimate that mainnet will take place about 15 days after that. And mainnet is also the founder launch. So the only way that you will be able to get into the mainnet launch is if you have one of the founder NFTs, the green or the purple. So if you don't already have one, head over to JPEG Store and pick one up, because those are our launch passes. and that'll be the only way that you can access PlayerMint during the founder launch to either earn or buy PMX. And the founder launch will go on for 5 epochs, so 25 days. So the first 25 days, you can only access if in your NAMI wallet you have one of the green or purple NFTs. And this both allows us to benefit the early adopters in the community, as well as rate limits the system. So we can go from a test net to an environment where there can be a max of 7,000 people at a time playing, which allows us to really roll this out in a very efficient, secure way, where we go from play testing, test net, main net, where it's capped at 7,000. That'll allow us to understand anything that needs to be done to properly scale before we open it up to everybody. And this is where also we'll really kick the marketing into gear, not just in the CNFT community, but in the regular Fortnite community. So we have some things lined up there that are exciting to bring a lot of attention from people that are outside of crypto altogether, and hopefully bring them into our Cardano family. So that brings us to some light paper information. So this coming week, we will be releasing the light paper 2.0, and this will have a lot of the final information regarding the launch. So a lot of the very specifics around what I was just showing. And again, any questions that arise from this, definitely message us in Discord or Twitter. Any feedback is good feedback. Just like with this video, we're all ears. So look forward to that next week, and that's really going to bring us here to the finish line. Then the SplitWorld Partnership. So SplitWorld is another MLabs project, which is our development team as well. And they're really awesome guys. Their project of being able to swap different elements of your NFT to design it in different ways, I think really speaks to the gaming community and fits in well with what we're doing. So we're working together to create all kinds of cross utility between our communities. Things like making it so that fees generated on the PlayerMint marketplace by SplitWorld holders create prize pools for only the SplitWorld holders to enter, and some other things that we're working on as well. So there's a lot to look forward to here, and things will be rolled out over time as we kind of work and perfect the different things that we're building out. So that about wraps it up. I want to again say congratulations to the team to bring this far, as well as the community. We have a lot of people that have really supported us through this whole process. So we want to say thank you guys and congratulations. Again, we're coming down to the final stretch here. And we'll have a lot of great announcements. And I really think that we have something super unique and new and refreshing to bring to the entire crypto community. So with that, I know that I will be speaking to everybody soon, and I appreciate everybody that watches this video. Again, any questions that come up, leave them in the comments, hit us up on Discord. We're around. So yeah, I appreciate everybody, and I'm sure I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.